Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to show you how to execute a problem in ANSYS software. The software which we are using is an ANSYS. This is the icon for that ANSYS software. It is ANSYS 11 version. Okay, first of all, you just double click on this icon. It will open like this. As soon as it opens, just give OK. So now the completely this window will be opening like this. In this window, first thing what you have to do is so today I am going to uh, do a problem on simple bar. Okay, the problem is like this. So for a simple bar shown in figure, determine the displacement, stress and reaction forces. Take the cross-sectional area of the bar as 500 mm square and E is Young's modulus 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square. This is the figure of that problem. So now I will execute this in this ANSYS software. So first step is go to preferences. Sorry, not here, this one. Go to preferences. So in preferences, select structural. Okay, then give OK. Next go to preprocessor. In this, select element type, add element, define add element here. So now a bar is a link element, so we select 2D spar link element and give OK. Now it is added and close it. Next step is go to real constant, add real constants. So add here, click OK. So here you have to give the area. Area is 500 mm square. Enter 500 and click OK. So close here. Select the material properties now. In material properties, select go to material models. In material models like this, and window will be coming. In this, select structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. In isotropic, it is asking Young's modulus. Ex is Young's modulus. Give here 2 e raised to 5, and here you give Poisson's ratio 0.3. Since I am taking 0.3 as a Poisson's ratio, considering is an mild steel. Okay, close this and come back. So after this material properties, go to modeling. So in modeling, select this, come to create. Here in create you have to go to nodes, and in nodes, in active CS nodes, go to active CS. So here you have to enter the node number 1 position 1. First node is in 0 position. Go to apply. Now next is node number 2. Node number 2, I keep 1000 x, y is 0 and z is also 0. You OK. view fit. So fit screen, it shows that now it is visible on the screen. Okay, after this nodes, okay, go to elements, create elements auto numbered through nodes. So now it is asking to pick the node 1 and node 2. Pick node 1 and node 2 and give OK. And after auto numbered through nodes, it is been created. Now the element is created, nodes and element both are created. Now you have to apply the boundary conditions. So first boundary condition is loads. Okay, so close this, to modeling, here go to loads. Okay, load is here, loads are here. Go to loads, define loads, apply loads, structural displacement. Okay, here give on nodes, select on nodes. So first node I am going to select. Okay, so here I want to give like this